My name is Miss Whitney and I'm from the Banks County Public Library. Today's teen craft is going to be alphabet coding. We're going to be making a reed keychain. Each string represents one letter. This kit includes a keyring, a piece of string, and all the beads needed. On the back is the instructions with the entire alphabet, so if you want to make another project, you have all the letters available. Okay, so the first step is you're going to take your string and you will fold it in half. And cut it. And then you'll take those pieces and cut them each in half. My beads are trying to run away from me already. Then you'll take your key ring, one string, fold it over the key ring. First string, once it's folded over, a star will go at the beginning and the end of each string, or a heart bead depending on what your kit includes. And you just follow the pattern of each letter as indicated on your instructions. The dark beads are the dark spaces and the white beads are the light spaces. So this first one will be black, white, black, white, black, black, white, black. And once you get to your last bead of those colors, put another star or heart. And you just knot it at the very end. I do it 2 or 3 times just to make sure that the string stays tight. And you have your first letter. And then you continue on and you do each letter after that. And of course, I didn't read and I did it wrong, so now I gotta start that string over. See, and now we have a completed keychain. You can also make other projects with it too. We just need to open the box. I can't open it. And then you take the string. Find your end. That's not quite the end. You need to find the end so we can string some beads on there and we'll make a necklace. Oh Lord, I make a mess. Well, this necklace may not have any beads on it at all. All right, hands, work with me here. We might get one strung today. This is just not working out. Come on, hands, work with me. I don't think they're going to work today.
Why don't you show off the bracelet you made?
Oh, yep, we made a bracelet too. So each kit will have a complete alphabet. So if you want to make something else later, you can use any letter and spell whatever you'd like. And maybe not make a mess like I did. So thanks for tuning in today. And don't forget, you can post your completed projects to your local library Facebook page. Bye.